Today we're looking at a Cadillac CUE. CUE stands for Cadillac User Experience. Everything on this unit is pretty vital. So you have the climate control, the radio, all the functions. This actually pops out, swivels. There's a motor mechanism in the back, and it's got quite a few plugs over here. You have the main power, you got the USB connector, and a small little one for the motor to actually swivel out the tray that comes out on the bottom. And everything on here is touch. So it's a touch capacitive resistance. And the main issue that we fix on this particular unit is the touch of the main screen stops responding. So if you're not able to access a portion of the menu, or none of the functions work at all, this entire panel will have to be replaced. There's actually a complete disassembly that's required to get to this touch panel and replace it, and that's what primarily we focus on when we get these in. Cosmetics on the bottom, we don't address any kind of side buttons, but we make sure to clean it up and make sure it's responding to the touch response, and that the haptic feedback, everything on the bottom works as well. This unit in particular, it has side brackets on some of the models. On most of the units, you know, they may or may not have these side brackets here. But this particular Cadillac CUE repair applies to the Cadillac SLS, ATS, CTS, XTS, Escalade, SRX, and STS. So basically, if you have one of those models ranging from the years 2012 to 2019, depending what model you have, sometimes they continued on for certain models, and other ones they discontinued and went to something else. We put the entire new panel on the top front, so if you have any cracks, scratches on this, the bezel comes with the glass touch, so it'll be brand new at the top, and basically it'll restore all touch. And like I said, you won't be able to access any of your climate control functions, your radio, your navigation, sometimes even voice command options that are on here if you don't have your touch. So it's pretty important that you get this addressed. New units for these may cost you anywhere from $899 to $1599, so it's quite pricey to actually just buy a whole replacement. Why not just have your top panel touch with the bezel replaced, so you restore all functionality and it's original to your car. There's no additional programming needed or VIN programming for this unit to work. As long as you send us your original, we'll refurbish what you give to us and we'll send it back to you. It comes with a 90-day warranty. As far as packaging goes, I highly recommend that you secure the side. This unit here weighs anywhere from 10 pounds or more. It's quite hefty in the back, and it's got side brackets. So the box has to be pretty durable, and on top of that, these fragile side brackets, if yours does have these, you want to make sure that you package enough on the sides when you're sending it into us for repair. Have yours repaired, send it to us. Our address is 1707 Enterprise Drive, Suite D, Beaufort, Georgia. Email us, call us for any questions, and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.